Hello and welcome to Sinu Eappen's kitchen. Today we'll be making the Kitkat and the Oreo milkshake.
It is very easy to make Kitkat and Oreo milkshake. Let's begin with Kitkat milkshake.
Ingredients needed: 2 bars of Kitkat,
1 cup cold milk,
3 cubes of ice,
1 tablespoon of sugar,
2 scoops of chocolate ice cream.
Crush the Kitkat with your hands and put it in the blender.
Add the sugar and the ice.
Add the cold milk and the ice cream into the blender and blend it.
Decorate the walls of the glass with chocolate syrup.
Now pour the milkshake into the glass.
Add some whipping cream on the surface of the milkshake.
You can decorate it with small pieces of Kitkat. Now our Kitkat milkshake is ready to serve.
Now let's make the Oreo milkshake.
Take 3 Oreo biscuits, crush them with your hand and put them in your blender.
Add a cup of cold milk,
1 tablespoon of sugar,
add 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream,
3 ice cubes, blend it together well.
Just like the Kitkat milkshake, we'll be decorating the walls with some chocolate syrup.
Yes, we are using Hershey's chocolate syrup. Pour the milkshake into the glass. Add some whipping cream on the top and put some crushed Oreo biscuits on top of the whipping cream. Now our Oreo milkshake is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed it. Please try it at home. Both our milkshakes are yummy and delicious. Please subscribe, like and share to our channel.
Thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.